Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I just want to do the medium ginger in the NARS. I don't want to do extreme highlight today because if I were going to a Christmas party where I was wearing like a Christmas jumper, I wouldn't glam it up as much. I would probably just, be a bit more simple chic. Should probably use a mirror because I'm not so young anymore with the old eyesight. There we go. Would help if I turned the brush. So you can use your ring finger, which is the most gentle of our fingers and thumb. This area here is 5 times thinner than that of the skin on your face, so it makes sense if you want to preserve and deserve good looks for the future. One should use a lot of gentle touch with their face. So what I might do is add some bronzer first. Now some of my methods, they might not work for you, but for me they're tried and true because I've got to know my face, I've got to know my skin. It's very important that even though you're watching these tutorials, you get to know your face, your skin, the way your hollows and contours of your face work, because remember, this is all inspiration. So I'm using, I can't even remember what this is. This is the MAC 136. So start your bronze from here and bring it towards your cheek or your pupil, and then leave what's remaining on the top. I like to do sort of heart 3, and you can see instantly it's made my face look slimmer. But contour doesn't have to be for every day. Because in the winter it's nice to look a little bit warm. As an Indian girl, I've found having a fairer skin tone, you can look pale, so I do like to look more bronzy because I think it's just overall looks more healthy for me. So can you see we've not even started the eyes yet, but the face now has more balance, and you can look at the amount you want to use on your eyes instead of doing eyes first, too heavy, too dark, or too full, and then you have to really make up for it with the definition around your face. The beauty of a fluffy brush is that it forgives a lot of mistakes. If you have a look, I'm being quite, not rough, but I'm being quite sort of fast with the application. That's because a fluffy brush forgives all of those errors, and you're using a very similar skin tone to you, so it's going to be quite forgiving. So you want to go under the eyes as well to create that balance. Now because this is a festive holiday look, I'm going to take a highlighter I've been really impressed with. It's the MUA, so Makeup Academy Summer, can't read, Shimmer Highlight Powder. I'm just going to swatch that for you. Look how beautiful that is. Ooh, that's nice. So to give this look a slight edge, I'm going to put this in my inner corners. Now usually I would go freehand, but today I'm going to try and place it perfectly. So you want a dome-shaped brush. Dip a little into the product. And just very lightly place that in the inner corner and bring it down to the tear duct. Again, that draws light into the eyes, and it will be a really nice hint of reflection when you're having mulled wine. It just looks beautiful in the light, okay? And just stamp. And then you tilt the tip and let it stew. Let it stew. And don't for a minute trust you get the thickness that you want. I know, liner, you have this whole vision in your head, it's going to be one like thickness, and then you compromise with yourself and you go for the thicker line. Has anyone ever pinched their lash line before with curlers? Koalas. Yes, I was going to say, I have pinched my lash skin. It's basically the same as when you sit on a seatbelt, but for your eye. Something else I was going to say is when you're doing your liner, you have to get really close to the lash line, otherwise you can see skin gaps. Just really zigzag that in. I'm going to try these lashes from Superdrug. This is the Natural Edition 13s. So a tip, if you ever get mixed up or it doesn't say R or L, the shorter section of lashes is always going to be the one how you measure whether it's left or right. So if the shorter section's in the inner corner, that's your corresponding left and right. So lashes are on, and I think they're lightweight and fabulous. They were £4-ish from Superdrug. So now just double check your makeup, because we're really getting close to finishing it now. So lashes are on, bronzing is done. I want to add some highlight. So again, for balance, I'm going to go for the powder highlighter that we used in the inner corner. Ooh, wow. Oh, that is beautiful. Take it down the centre of the nose. You can be more precise down. Ooh. Red lip liner is a must. Lip liner in general is a must. I'm not saying you need a lip liner for every single lipstick you have, because you can get, you know, interchangeable ones. Having said that, because I'm a new mom, I haven't had a red lip liner in years and I can't find one. So I'm going to do a trick. I'm going to use a liquid lipstick from NARS in Don't Stop, and because the actual wand is so beautiful to work with, I'm going to use this as my lip liner. I want to use Lisa Eldridge's Velvet Ribbon as my lip colour. The Lisa Eldridge Velvet Ribbon. is just so beautiful. Oh, it just matches that NARS perfectly. Here we go. So this is the final look. This is my classic holiday look. I decided to leave the under eye completely clear so that it can balance the makeup that we've done. If you have any questions, oh no, we need to set. So setting sprays, my gosh, can't believe I almost forgot. So the two current setting sprays I have is the Set and Refresh Mist from Morphe Jeffree Star collection that came out earlier this year, and the Prep and Prime from MAC, which is a old favourite. I'm actually going to use both. So I'm going to refresh. God, that highlight's amazing. And then fix. So you can obviously cover your eyes, but this is just amazing. 30 centimeters away. This is all obviously gonna like soak into your skin. I hope you enjoyed this look. It's super easy, super quick, and you can do it with or without lashes, light lip, pink lip, dark lip, red lip. It's totally up to you. And thank you so much for watching, and I will bring you another holiday look soon.